Hi everyone and welcome back. This is the QDI P6I440FX Commander Pentium Pro motherboard. As you can see, it has very advanced CGI graphics for 1996. And here are the features. Please pause the video if you want to see them all. The box contains a floppy disk with the BIOS of the motherboard, the motherboard manual, very important because for these motherboards you may not find it online. A set of jumpers, a set of IDE and floppy connectors together with a serial and parallel connector. And now the motherboard. And now the motherboard. As you can see, the board has an AT power supply unit connector. It supports 4 memory DIMMs, it has 4 PCI, 4 ISA, and a very big socket for the Pentium Pro processor. It also has 2 IDE connectors and 1 floppy connector. The power supply unit we're gonna use for this project is going to have 200 watts. And the hard drive is a 1995 Western Digital 2850 with 850 megabytes of storage space. Now we're gonna have a closer look at the motherboard. And we will start by fitting the 200 megahertz CPU into the socket and by placing the radiator. And now we need to fit everything onto the bench table. Always remember to remove additional pins in order not to short out anything. We will place the two DIMMs with 8 MB each for a total of 16 MB of RAM. And now we will add the power supply unit connector. The graphics card we will use for this project is going to be an S3 by ELSA. The card is Winner 1000 T2D and it's a bit new. It's manufactured in 1997, but probably we can replace this one by the time of the benchmark. Next is the sound card, an ISA Sound Blaster by Creative, the CT4170 model. Once this is done, I'm going to try to fit a fan over the radiator because I'm concerned that the radiator may not be enough for the 200 MHz processor. To complete the project, we're gonna keep in reserve two DIMMs of 16 MB each if the project demands more resources. And we couldn't have passed the opportunity to have a 1995 or 96 PC without adding a 3DFX Voodoo card. We will also install the pass-through cable and this is the final build. Thank you and see you next time.